My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2017 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso. This vehicle has done 54,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen we can see that we have navigation as a feature, as well as Apple and Android CarPlay, Bluetooth for media, climate control. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. This vehicle comes with 7 seats in total, each of which have a leather trim, as well as a panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.